Good morning, children, boys and girls. Now we're at a real spaceport where rockets fly into outer space. Today, I suggest you to go on this interesting vehicle to the planet of mysterious and magical unicorns. So watch this video to the end and run with me on the board. Before you and I and the other kids go on this exciting journey, I'll introduce you to the rocket we're going to fly there. People use it to fly into space, and it is led by an astronaut who can view the planets through the porthole. That's the name of the window in the rocket. Let's go inside. As you can see, there are a lot of buttons, so it is quite difficult to control the rocket. I suggest we do not linger, but rather get acquainted with unicorns. It seems that you and the other kids are already on the spot, so it's time to land and hurry to get acquainted with others. Well, finally, we've reached the land of the unicorns. They are really fantastic and magical creatures, and although they look like our horses from Earth, they have nothing in common. They eat multicolored rainbow food, only sweets and fruits. But you better do not take the example of them, because this way can only eat unicorns. By the way, as you already understand, they got their name because they have a magic horn on their head. You see, kids, how from a mane of mommy and the daughter stars fall down, so they without words show love to each other. This multicolored arc of 7 colors is called a rainbow. It is fitting place for unicorns. However, on our planet, it can be seen as well. Have you ever seen it? If not, be sure to look for it after the rain. You and I are very lucky to see Pegasus too. They are also fantastic creatures, however have no horns, but can fly very fast. Look, the unicorns have returned to the rainbow, but there are not 3 of them. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many have you counted? Yes, we have 4 unicorns. Let's get closer to the smallest. How many sweets are falling from the rainbow? What color is donut which is falling to the little unicorn now? Yes, pink. And what color is the cake? Well done, red. Look, it's candy. What color is it? Excellent, purple. And finally, the cookies. Have you figured out what color is it? Yellow. And you're good at colors. Well, let's not stop them from eating. Let's go to the rocket. You and I have to go home. Thank you for spending this journey with me. I hope that you and I have become friends and that we shall often see the world together. See you in the next interesting video. Goodbye!